Hi everyone, I am Joseph. Currently, I am participating in hackathon from Polkadot Networks blockchain. So I will explain what the product that I built using Polkadot Networks. So yeah, first maybe let's be honest for a minute. The worst part about modern election isn't about the politics, but it's the doubt, the feeling that there might be some trickery happening behind the closed door. So when we can't trust the counts, we end up with the leaders that we can't depend on, right? So and if the system allows for glitches or lost boxes, someone is going to exploit it. Of course, we wanted to fix that. We have built a application called Votum to make sure the math decide the winner, not the people's counting the votes. And here is how it works. So first, our application is built using clean stack uh, and powerful. We are using Kotlin as programming language for the main front end, and we build it using Compose multi-platform, so it can run native on Android and iOS. As you can see here, I'm running the application on the Redmi Note 8 Pro for the Androids and the iOS simulators. Yeah, in this session. Why we choose the Kotlin? Because I'm also working as Android engineers in the real life. So I have expertise on Kotlin. This make me easier to build the front end. That's and of course the on the back end side we have a lightweight Node.js backend to manage traffics, and the backbone is actually the Polkadot networks. So let's just jump to the application. When the user first install it, it will be greeted by this onboarding screen. It will like describe about how the application help us in the vote system, and then we can just jump in and sign up. We can for now I will just use the random numbers and using my name. I will just try to use my emails, and the phone numbers can be also random, but of course if this will need like a proper format. And then the date of birth, I will just use a random date also, and then use the random address, testing address, and create our password. We need to check this box and then create our account. It will trigger the call into our backend. Next, we need to like complete the verification. We will input again the national ID, and ideally it will like sending the verification code or something like that. And for now we can just because this is MVP, we can just showing the process. We will use camera features and like simulate it, verify it. Okay, then we can just log in to the registered account using the data that we registered before, like this. Login, and you will be greeted with the dashboard of like current running campaign of election. So there is several state in here, like registration open, voting is open, so close, and the result available. And for now we can just use the voting open. This is the election that we can directly vote on. Then there's like information for candidates and the timeline and what does it elect actually. Then we can just click the vote now. Then there is several candidates here. Of course this is the MVP, the data is not real, but yeah, we can just choose it, submit the vote, and confirm it, and it will trigger the encryption and hit the call. And there was it, the vote is successfully submitted and recorded on the blockchain. There is also transaction hash, block number, timestamp, and verification code. We can also verify the blockchain, and it will show you that the vote is verified. And actually that's it. That is the flow of our application, and we hope that it can help the democratic system to be much more transparent and cannot be tricked on some occasion. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you for listening. So yeah, enjoy your day.